Hey guys, today we are going to be learning how to use Zoom. Zoom is a free online website that allows teachers to teach remotely and students to learn remotely. Zoom is available on the App Store, Google Play, but surprisingly not the Microsoft Store. First, what you want to do is open up a browser of any type. I am using Google Chrome right now, and search up Zoom download. Then just click the first link. As you see, it will take you to this page. From here, just press the first option. This will automatically start the download. If you look down at the bottom left corner, the download has appeared. Now just wait until the download is complete. Now press the icon on the download and it should give you some options. Press the option that reads Open when done. It will take some time, so you will have to be patient and wait. It takes any time between 5 to 45 seconds. After waiting for a while, a status bar should pop up. Now you will have to wait again, this time from around 20 seconds to 1.5 minutes. Now that both the installation and download process is complete, Zoom should pop up. Again, you may have to wait around 10 seconds for Zoom to pop up. There it is. Now you can join a meeting or sign in to host or schedule a meeting. If you learnt something, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Open up a browser of your choice. Now search up zoom.com. It should take you to this page. If not, then just press the top link. If you look at the top right of your screen, it should show some options. Press the one that says sign in. If you already have an account, you can sign in, but if not, then here's how to sign up. First, you'll be asked to enter your birth date. After this, press continue and enter in your email address. After you've entered in your email address, just press sign up. Then you'll send an email to the email address you entered. Open up Gmail and it should come up. Scroll down and press activate account. This is just a way of verification, and doing it will allow you to continue with the process. So we'll just write no because we're not signing up on the behalf of school. I am just signing up just to show you guys how to do it. Now you will have to enter in your first name, last name, and you'll have to create a password. To do this, you have to enter in your password, then you'll have to confirm your password. Now press continue. If you have any friends or colleagues on Zoom, you can invite them here. To do this, you have to verify that you're not a robot, but we're just going to skip this. So I'm going to press start meeting now. It will take you to another page. Now you will just have to wait. I can open it in the app if I want. So I am, because I already have the app. If you don't, as Zoom connects, it's just giving you some options, like it's just preparing everything. And when it does, you can join with computer audio. So my mic is unmuted and I can start my video if I want or not. At the bottom you can see how many participants there are, and you can see the chat. You can share your screen or you can record. If I want to share screen, I have some options. So everyone will be given a host name and a password. I can email someone the password to join my meeting, and I can also leave my own meeting. So let's go back and join a meeting. You will have to enter a meeting ID, and after you've done that, you can choose your name and then you'll be asked a password. I'm not going to do it now. So let's go back and schedule a meeting. You can see at the top right, I press schedule a meeting, and now you will have to give your meeting a topic. So I'll just write my meeting. There is also a description option, and you can also set what time and date you want your meeting at. To invite someone to your meeting, press copy the invitation and copy that. Then you will have to go into Gmail and compose an email to someone to invite them. So I'm just selecting the person I would like to email. I'm just describing it here, like all that stuff, and Command V or Control V depending if you have a Mac or a PC, and send that. So now that we have sent the invitation, we can just wait. So I'm just going to start this meeting right now, and it should take you to this page. I would recommend the app, but now we are going to go on to host a meeting. If you look towards the top right of your screen, you'll see host a meeting. Click on it and it'll give you some options. Press the one that best suits you. I am going to open it in the app because it's much more efficient. So now that we're in, we're just going to join with computer audio. So our main task for this one is to copy the URL, which is on the option below. And now we can compose an email and send it to others so they can join our meeting. If I send the URL, then it also sends the hostname, password, and numeric password. And now my friends, colleagues, teachers can all join my meeting now that I've given them their email. I'm just explaining some stuff, like what it is and what it's about. That's it. Like, and when I send it, now if they look, they can see the hostname, password, and numeric password. So now I click that link and now it will take me to launch a meeting, and I can open it up in the app, which I am going to do. And now I have access to the meeting. It's connecting right now, as you can see, and I'm joining the meeting. And now this screen should come up. Beware that it might take some time because the host might take some time to realize that you have requested to come in. And now you are joining in, and you can join with computer audio, or you can join with video, or you can mute both. So these are some options to screen share. I'm done with that. Now you can see how many participants there, and there's a chat. As you see in the chat, like, I can send something and then they will send something back if they can see it. Like, just if you wait a bit, then you might see something come up. Yeah, see, hello. So now I'm going to leave the meeting. So now I'm going to show you how to join a meeting via hostname, password, and numeric password. First, search up zoom.com. At the top right of your screen, if you see join a meeting, press that. So now we are just going to wait a bit, and it should redirect you to this page. You will take the meeting ID that your host would give you, then place it on here, press join, and it should take some time, and you can open it in the app if you have it. I do right now. And now you will need the password. Now you will have to enter the password. Now you will have to enter the password which is given to you by the host, just like the meeting ID. After waiting for a bit, a page should appear like this, and after this it will redirect you to connecting again, and then finally it should come up. So that's how to join a meeting on Zoom. Thank you for watching till the end, and bye. If you learnt something, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.